Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see Instagram history reels or the history of Instagram reels. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. So once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. So once you are there, tap on the three lines icon on the top right and in here go to your activity and here go to likes. In here, you will find several drop-down boxes, so tap on All Content Types drop-down box. In here, just select on Reels or check mark on Reels and then uncheck the other ones and click on Apply. Now here goes the Reels you have, I have seen on this account. Yes. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.